Mabuhay! We are the TVL Tourism Students of Odnot National High School. GDP Batch 2! Salamat po!
Mabuhay! I am Mayoni Kamlaga. Thank you for choosing Selectors for handling your 2-day tour in San Fernando, Union. Our 2 days itinerary with sight and interest in Nabuo, which is our day 1, at 0600R18. By purchasing this booking, you agree to the terms and conditions.
Mabuhay! My name is RJ Severgrina and I am your travel consultant. Thank you for choosing RJ Travel and Tours. This is our 2-day tour in La Union. Our tour inclusions. This is our tour destinations. Agoo Eco Park, Agoo. This is the terms and conditions.
Mabuhay! My name is Dandy W. Jr., your travel consultant. So we offer 2 days and 1 night accommodation in Thunderbird Resort. So San Fernando, La Union are the services. First accommodation. So this is the itinerary. So this is the terms and conditions.
Mabuhay! My name is Pizza Irisan and I am your travel consultant. This is a 2 days accommodation. These are the destination. First, 0,500 hours. This is the term and condition. First is down payment 6.
Mabuhay! My name is Faith Yun-Kataraha, your travel consultant.
A 2 days accommodations of Thunderbird Resorts with 32.
And these are the destinations. Number 1 is Agoo Eco Park.
Number 2 is Machu Temple. This is the itinerary. And this is the terms and conditions.
Mabuhay! My name is Jana Arardi and I am a travel consultant. And this is the tour package inclusion. And these are the tour itinerary. For terms and conditions.
Mabuhay! I am Juliana Tumula, your travel consultant.
This is our 2 days tour package in La Union.
This is the package tour inclusion. At 2 days,
So these are the destination.
number 1, Agoo Eco Park.
Mabuhay! My name is Joe Dulcitun, your travel consultant.
This is the 2 days tour of San Fernando for inclusions. A 2 days accommodation, and these are the destinations. Number 1, and this is the itinerary. This is our terms and conditions.
Mabuhay! My name is Gianjermes Rivida and I am your travel consultant. 2 days in San Fernando, La Union. Package store inclusion. A 2 days accommodation. These are the destinations. First is this is the itinerary. These are the terms and conditions.
Mabuhay! My name is Shazine Kasungkad, your travel. So this is the 2 days tour package in La Union. These are the destination. Number 1, Agoo Basilica. Your accommodation is the Thunderbird Resort. So this is the itinerary. Now our terms and conditions by purchasing.
Mabuhay! I am Nestia Alarde, your tour consultant from Sightseeing Tour. And this is the tour package inclusion. These are the destinations. Number 2, Puro Point. Your accommodation is the itinerary. This is our term and condition. And this is the end of my
Mabuhay! I am Preston Ortega, your travel consultant. This is the 2 days tour package. This is the tour package inclusion. These are the destination. So number 2, this is the tour itinerary. This is the terms and conditions. We are hoping to your expectations.
Mabuhay! This is Nika Sibatan, your travel consultant. So this tour is San Fernando, La Union. For our package tour and inclusions, we have a tour. For the first destinations is the Basilica of Minor. This is the tour itinerary. Day 1, and for the the terms and conditions. First, that's all of my presentations. For more information, please.
This is Carl Vicente of Light Tours. A Todi store in San Fernando. This is a package store in clothes.